CourtLink gives you direct access to the industry's largest collection of federal and state court dockets and documents with real-time alerts and advanced tracking tools to help you monitor litigation and stay ahead. In this video, you will learn how to use CourtLink to research federal and state court dockets, analyze how a case progressed from filing through disposition, and track litigation activity. From the Lexis platform, select CourtLink from the product menu. This opens a powerful docket research tool built for efficiency and accuracy and integrated with legal AI from Protégé. Use the form to search dockets, court documents, or both. Enter a court, docket number, party name, judge, attorney, or firm. You can also filter by litigation area, case type, and more to find exactly what you need. For example, uncover dockets in which TikTok was a litigant. Narrow the results to intellectual property litigation. Select a case to view the full docket report. You will see a chronological list of filings, including complaints, motions, orders, and judgments, clearly organized and easy to follow. CourtLink draws directly from official court records, ensuring accuracy you can trust. Click the Protégé summary box to read an AI-generated summary of the proceedings. With AI enhancements, results are streamlined and easy to analyze, helping you spend less time searching and more time understanding the litigation process. In addition to the form search, you can surface dockets of interest using a simple natural language search powered by legal AI through Protégé. For example, find California District Court trademark infringement cases since January 1st of 2026. Either the form search or a natural language search will help you quickly and easily return the results you need. Then use CourtLink alerts to monitor updates. This is especially helpful when following ongoing litigation or studying procedural strategy over time. To set up a CourtLink alert, click the bell icon at the top of the page. Create a title for the alert, such as Nature of Suit Alert California Trademark. Review the content your alert will be monitoring, then set up delivery dates, delivery type, how you would like to be notified, and frequency. After all your selections have been made, click the button to create the alert. Alerts will notify you when new information is added to a docket that you are monitoring, ensuring you stay current and don't miss new proceedings. You can access your saved CourtLink alerts by clicking Alerts and Tracks. With CourtLink, you can research dockets, analyze litigation trends, and follow cases from start to finish, all using authoritative, up-to-date court data. Contact your Lexis representative to learn more.